In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a window channel on your GMC K1500. This is going to be located inside of the door panel. Let's get started. Lift up on this trim piece right here. Slide it straight up. It'll slide off of this plastic clip. Remove the 2 Phillips head screws. We're going to lift up on the window trim piece, pull straight up. You could use a plastic trim tool if you'd like. This comes up pretty easy. Behind there, we're going to have a few connectors. The tab right here, push on that tab. Remove the connector. We're going to use a flat blade screwdriver right above this tab and push down. And remove the connector. I'm pushing down on this tab right here to unlock it in the bottom. Using a trim tool, go around the door, popping off the clips. Once it starts hinging like this, we can lift it straight up and off. Don't pull it too far. This wire should be attached to this light right here. Ours is not. If yours is, go ahead and remove it out of the socket. Using a 7mm socket, we're going to go around and remove all 10 bolts around the outside. And we have one 10mm bolt right here on the bottom right. There's one right here under the speaker. Pull the panel forward. We don't need to fully remove the panel. You can if you'd like. To get a bit more room to work with the handle, we're going to pop these 2 rods out of the clips in the back. Push them out of the clips. We're going to pop the rods out of the handle and the lock. We're going to support the handle with our thumb and pull straight up on the rod. Pull it out, and on the bottom we're going to do the same thing. Remove the 2 rods. Remove the metal clip. Push those tabs up and over and pop the clip off. pull the rod out. Slide the roller out of the channel in the front first, and then pull it backwards and pull it out of the rear. Put the panel down to the side. Lift the window glass all the way up. I'm going to secure this in place using a few pieces of tape. Remove the 10mm bolt. Pull the channel out and remove it from the vehicle. Install the channel. Get the rubber started. Push it straight up. Push it up into place. Get the bolt started. Snug it down. Remove the tape. Drop the window down. Pull the door panel up. We're going to get our window motor installed into that bottom run channel. Get that back started first. Pull it forward. And get the front installed. Install the rod into the lock and the rod into the handle. Install the lock rod into the actuator. Install the pressure clip. Make sure it clicks over. Install the rods into the plastic clips. Install the rods into their clips. Pull them into place and they'll snap in. Push the door panel back into place. You'll need to push down to get the actuator right here up and under the door panel. I'm going to start with the 10mm bolt on the bottom right side. go around and install all of the 7mm bolts. Install the door panel down on top of the windowsill. Pull your harness up and out. Be sure that your connector is installed into the light. Clip the door panel into place all the way around. Install the connectors. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give them a pull. Make sure they're locked in. Install the switch piece with the lever in the front first. And clip it down into place. Install the Phillips head screws down through the top of the door. Snug them down. Install the plastic bezel. Slide the trim piece down and into place on top. Give it a pull out, make sure it's locked onto that clip, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.